na, magsisimula na yung magician natin. Tingnan nyo, ayan na, ayan na. Ayan, walang kukurap ng mata. Hop, galing, kandila. Oops, ano kayang gagawin nito? Oops. Ano kaya? Uy. Exhibition, no? Oh, walang kukurap, walang kukurap. Oh, walang kukurap ng mataas. Oops. Nawala ang kandila. Ang galing naman. Galing. Oh, ayan na naman uli. Oh, kandila na naman. Oops. Uy, ang galing. Galing talaga. Galing, ini pa lang nawala na. Ang galing. Grabe, galing, galing.
Kaninong anak to? Hindi, actually, tatlo yan. Meron pa ako dito isa. But this time, ingatan mo siya, hawakan mo yung putik para hindi masira. Okay? Alright, this is my second magic wand. Okay? Medyo matibay na siya, hindi na siya nasira kahit anong ikot ko. Gagawin mo, gagayahin mo lang kaya ito. Ito na mas mo, okay? Legit, edis mo. Kanina yung sira, ngayon edis mo. Actually, this is my last magic wand po. So please be careful, wag mo nang sisirain, okay? And here, my last magic wand, okay? So be careful, init mo lang na tatlo. 1, 2, 3, and then tap like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is my last magic wand. Be careful. Very good. Then all you have to do, you're gonna roll this magic wand 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then tap like that. Okay? Are you ready? So once again, everybody clap your hands first for Mr. Your name is? Elway. Palapa mo lang si Caleb, guys. Come on.